Hello and welcome to another segment of our Tips and Tricks series. Today we're going to talk about how to insert a video into a PowerPoint presentation. Now to do that we have 5 things that we need to make sure happen. Number 1 is we need to create an introductory slide to let the congregation know that a video is coming up. Number 2 is to create the slide on which the video will be inserted itself. Step 3 is to then insert that video onto that slide. Step 4 is to adjust the playback settings on that video so it looks right. And then lastly, to save the presentation. All right, so let's get right into it. So we have a simple 6-slide PowerPoint deck here, and we know that we're going to insert the video here on slide number 4. So we select slide number 4. Our video file that we want is right here on the desktop. So we're going to get that file onto this slide. There are multiple ways to do that. Here's one. So up on the Insert menu, you want to click Insert, and then over on the Media button, click Media, and then Video. There's 2 options here, and since this video is on our PC, we'll click Video on my PC. Next, you point PowerPoint towards the file that you want to insert. It's right here on the desktop already ready for us, so we click that and then click Insert. You can see that the video is now on this slide. There's a black box there. We're not going to really do much with this except we're going to adjust the playback settings now. So up under the playback menu, when you click on the video, the playback menu is visible. So there's a couple things that we want to do here. Number 1 is that when the slide is advanced to during presentation, we want this video to start automatically. So next to Start, let's click Automatically. We also want this video to play full screen so that it's maximized on the screen. So we check the box next to Play Full Screen. And then lastly, when the video is done playing, we don't want this black box to be visible on screen. So we're just going to check this box here, Hide while not playing. And that's really all we need to do. So let's go ahead and go back to our beginning of the slides and start the slideshow. Let's try it out. Here's our slideshow title. Here's the steps that we talked about. Here's our introductory slide to let people know a video is coming. And when we click next, the video starts automatically.
Creating opportunities for a better life.
Now let's go ahead and go forward here. At the end, when the video is done playing, it just goes away. And you can see that the slide, whatever was on the slide behind the video, is now visible. And then when you click next, it goes on to whatever aspect or element of the service is next. So lastly, just some considerations. Make sure that the video that you're trying to insert is on the local disk drive of your computer. So if you have that video on a flash drive, make sure you copy that file from that flash drive to the computer, and the desktop is a great place to do that. And my last tip is to consider that the best place to insert videos for playback at the church is actually at the church. It makes everything much more predictable and consistent when it comes time to playing stuff back. And with that, I thank you for your attention and happy PowerPointing.